on top of a moving truck. I kid you not, ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not easy to do whatsoever. This is pilot skills a lot. You can hear Ken really work that throttle back and forth. He's going a little fast, so he's going to crab the aircraft a little bit right there, slow it down. Coming down, coming down, coming down. Again, now that truck is exactly underneath him. That's not an easy thing to see.
Go! Go! Go!
Nice.
The aircraft and realize that he used to be sponsored by Jelly Belly. They used to throw Jelly Bellies out in the audience. Man, I went home with several cases of those things. I had Jelly Bellies for the next year and a half. Big wave, ladies and gentlemen, as it comes down. Jan Peach, look at that. Look how small of a platform that is. When you get a chance to look at that, that plane just does fit at the top of that.